3 AI websites that makes editing life very easy. Personally, I have this problem of not having a soft copy passport I could attach while filling out forms online, and this is not the thing of joy to me because I end up cropping my full picture and using them as a passport, which sometimes are not very appealing to the site, but passport's not defined, Abby. But this is not about me. Whether you are a professional photographer or you are just someone who enjoys editing photos as a hobby, and there are points where you need to remove background, and these AI powered websites are actually available for you to use. They save time, they save your effort, and they save you the stress. The number one is Cutout.pro. You go to any browser in any devices you're using and you type the Cutout.pro. It opens and then you see the space where you get to upload any decent image you have. You upload it and it will remove the background for you to bring the original and the edited image. And then boom, you have a picture without your background that you can use as a passport. And another advantage is that you can actually change the background from what it was to maybe a plain background, a red background, a white background, a blue background, whatever background you use, and this is actually very useful. Next, we have the remove.bg. This website is super easy and fast to use. All you need to do is to type on your browser remove.bg, and then you upload the image you wish to remove the background, and it does this in seconds. It doesn't take your time, it doesn't stress you, and I enjoy using this website so much. Matter of fact, that's what I've been using to create most of my thumbnails on my YouTube channel. So it is very easy peasy. Next is the Clipping Magic. This is also an AI website that allows you to remove background from your images. But the beautiful thing about the Clipping Magic is that it has other variety of tools that help you fine-tune your result. And this is what other website does not offer, except you sign up for them and then pay some kind of amount to access their whole bundle. Then we also have the Background Burner. It does the same thing. They are just different websites you can explore and use, the one that best fits you, the one that you enjoy using. And then there is the remove.ai. There are so many AI powered websites that allows you to do this same thing, removing background. But the beautiful thing about these few I have mentioned, and even more, is that you don't even need to sign in, you don't even need to sign up, you don't even need to have an account with them, you don't even need to pay a dime to access all these beautiful features. And this is the flex, of course. I mean, please, we love free things, and thank you, AI websites, for allowing people like me to be able to remove background without having to stress with CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Paint, and thank you, I beg. So you've seen me flaunting this power bank in the beginning of this video, and you've been wondering, what is she trying to do? So this is a 20,000 mAh Oraimo power bank, and what am I trying to do? I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. I'm trying to compare it with every other power bank I've used, New Age, Sumac Fireman, of the same cast, to see which one is actually the best. And I made a post about it some time ago on my Facebook page. So which one do you think is the best? So I am gonna confirm that in a full review of this power bank very soon. So all you need to do is just to keep watching, and if you found this video useful, follow us for more tips like this. And if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so, and you're welcome.